Hey, this is Sarah from the University City Public Library, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing side-by-side video of the Oculus Quest and the Oculus Quest 2. So we've got both of these awesome Quest VR headsets through a really sweet emerging tech grant that we received from the Missouri State Library. So I wanted to share with you some of the cool stuff that came in the boxes for these. Here at UCity we have one of the original Quest, and then we have several of these Quest 2 units that we will be using for programming in the upcoming months. Alright, so let's dig into these bad boys. So I've actually already opened and played with our original Quest unit, but I did keep it as close to the original condition. The box is pretty cool. It's got some nice graphics and feels pretty sweet for that little slip cover. And then inside we've got this situation right here. So we've got our original Quest unit. I really liked the black color. It feels really nice because it's got like this cloth covering on it. Feels very substantial. Since I've used it, and usually I wear glasses, I already clipped in. Let's see, I'll take this apart and show you how this all works. So got this big old set of straps that holds the thing on. We've got these lenses here, which you can actually adjust to make sure that they fit your face and stay in focus correctly. Then in here there's this little plastic ring with a clip. This little sensor is what keeps, what lets it know whether or not you're wearing it. And then I use this extra clip here, which is a glasses bumper to give you a little more space for those of you who like to wear glasses or have to wear glasses. And then it just clips in at the top. And then you've got this nice foam bumper. On the front of your unit, there are these 4 cameras, which one, help establish your guardian boundary and make sure that you don't walk into walls, and 2, also help track your controllers. These cameras also can pick up on the movements of your hand, and you can use your hands as controllers in some games. That's still a pretty new feature. It's got really nice Velcro grippies to hold everything to the right size for your head. It's nice the way it's made. It definitely doesn't catch your hair or pull, and it feels pretty good to wear. It is substantially heavy. So I'm going to put that to the side. In the box, you get your 2 controllers, XY, BA, or well, YX and BA. Got some nice little trigger buttons, and then a menu and a stop button. Again, feel really good. They've also got these wrist straps, which I highly recommend you cinch down tight if you're playing Beat Saber or pretty much any game where you're getting to move around with these bad boys. And then in the box to the side here is, for the original Quest, you get this awesome, really long USB 3 cable, which is what you use to charge it. As I throw things around. You can also, if you have a computer that has a USB 3 port, you can plug straight in to your computer and use your Quest with your computer. Also in this box, there's this little set of all the the instructional quick reference, and safety and warning guides. Just all of that extra user manual documentation. So, not a whole lot in there. Also, the original Quest comes with AA batteries, which are what run the controllers, and then you just, if I can, it's kind of hard and a little inconvenient to get to, honestly. They've got a little neodymium magnet in there to help hold everything together, but then you can just boop, pop them in. So that's our Quest, and now we are gonna dig into the brand new Quest 2s. These were just announced, and we got ours through a pre-order. So let's take a look at what's different in that box. So, first off, this box is pretty beautiful, and it definitely looks like they upped on the graphic design to get this real pretty imagery showing off that white Quest 2. And so satisfying. Pulling it out of the plastic here. Alright. So, on the back, it's showing off some of the titles that you can grab for it. And then again, showing off our big Oculus branding here. Now, it's got one of these, again, it's a slip cover with a box on the inside. I'm gonna move that to there. Already, I like this so much better as a nice way that you can actually want to hang on to this box to store your Quest in. It's got a really simple how to use it. So we've got our controllers. Not too many differences. This controller is a little wider. And slightly heavier. It's got the ring for tracking is a little bigger and a little more like tipped backwards, but otherwise they feel very comparable. It's cool. These ones are rechargeable somehow. That's what I've been told. But again, it looks like it's still got that same situation there where you can, let's see. I'm gonna see if I can pop this open. Side slides. Oh. It just ships with the battery in it. Alright. That's a bit of a bummer, but whatever. You can get rechargeable AA batteries. Okay. Well, now we know. Otherwise, that's about the same. In here, I'm guessing, is our charger. Let's see. I'm going to scooch this off to the side just a little bit. Let's see what we got in this box. Alright, right off the top, it's going to be our quick start as guide, reference, as well as your warranty guide and all of the technical details about your Quest 2. And then we've got another USB 3 charger. This cord is significantly shorter, so probably to prevent you from linking it up to your computer as easily. Or playing while charging. Your mileage may vary. But it's pretty standard stuff. Now, let's look at the unit itself. So we've got our glasses bumper. It's just a little piece of plastic. And then in here, it's got the how to use, the how to set your lenses. Let's see, can I get it up there? Yeah. The straps are cloth, but they've kind of got like a plasticky feel to them. I'm wondering how long these are gonna stay this nice kind of gray-white color if you've got this on your head and you are sweating playing Beat Saber. But to be determined. We will test this out. On the OG Quest, this was cloth, but instead this is plastic, although they've gone ahead and put this like paper cover, which I've just popped right off. But otherwise, most of this looks about the same. Charging port on the side, headphone jack, power button, little light to let you know if you're powered on and off, and then the 4 cameras on the face. Inside, I can see some differences already. So here we have the lenses, and let's actually read. So instead of having a little slider on the bottom, it just asks for you to adjust them with your hands to get them where you want them and clip them into spot. So a little less complicated. There's also, like in this one, you can kind of see there's cloth coming off of those lenses and all around that space. Quest 2, they did away with that. So, and then you can see the lenses. So, pretty cool. And then, same thing as the other one. This just pops in and out, and you can clip your glasses spacer in there. If you don't got glasses, don't need them, this is just a little extra thing to have. Although I think it's kind of nice because it can make some extra space and breathing room in there for your face. So, pretty cool. Let's see. Oh yeah. Tear that off. This just clips on in. And then this will clip in to the spacer. It's like slightly fussy. There we go. Nice. Oh, wow. Feels pretty good. All right. Well, this has been my unboxing of our Quest and Quest 2 units. I'm really looking forward to a time where we can have you in the library so we can play with these. We've got a lot of cool programs as part of our Emerging Tech grant coming your way. All right. Hope to see you sometime soon.